Hey, what's up guys? Brendan here at DetailKing.com, and today I'm here to show you the Jade Complete Acrylic Tire Dressing. Jade Complete Acrylic Tire Dressing is a water-based, silicone-free acrylic tire dressing. When applied, it will form a durable coating that will remain flexible to prevent any cracks or other defects in the coating. Jade Complete Acrylic Tire Dressing cures dry to the touch in minutes, and it will help shed water, dirt, and contaminants much more than a traditional dressing will. It'll have your tires looking great for months rather than weeks. Tires treated with Jade Complete Acrylic Tire Dressing are easier to clean, and they stay looking clean much longer. So without any further ado, let's get started and check it out. To use Jade Complete Acrylic Tire Dressing, first ensure that the tires have been cleaned, are dry, and are cool to the touch. Then, shake the bottle well. Dispense Jade Complete Acrylic Tire Dressing onto an applicator and apply evenly across the tire surfaces with special attention to the white walls and tread. The dressing can be applied with additional coats to provide customizable levels of gloss. Alright guys, that about wraps it up for this video. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and comment below what videos you want to see next. For more information on the Jade Complete Acrylic Tire Dressing or any of our other auto detailing products, head on over to DetailKing.com. We have everything you need to keep your car clean like a Detail King. See you guys next time.